I'm just going to show you a sales invoice just to show you the difference here. Microsoft has done a really good job in terms of adherence to a development process. And by that, I mean pages and screens are going to look and function very consistently. So when I train a user on, let's say, entering a sales order, they're going to have visibility and know how to process a sales invoice, a sales quote, a blanket sales order. Okay, so very consistent in terms of layout, design, terminology, etc. Okay, and functionality is going to be very similar across the top. So I see approval request, post, print, etc. Okay. I like transaction processing on a transaction by transaction basis, just my user preference, but we do have the ability to process in batch if you want to. It's particularly applicable maybe in sales invoice processing. I process my sales orders, I do shipments, and then end the day, next day, I would maybe process shipments, or I'm sorry, process invoices. You can do that in a batch format. We can facilitate the ability to actually generate the invoice at the point of shipment and include it in the shipment. So if you have that need, again, flexible in terms of really what that sales cycle looks like. Okay. We did talk a little bit about the return, so full return capabilities in the system and processing.